You can't soar like an eagle when you surround yourself with turkeys. Isn't that the truth? But in order to soar like an eagle, you also must release yourself from anything that is weighing you down. You can't soar like an eagle if you're unhealthy. I don't see any obese eagles dominating the sky. Your health is probably the most important part of your life. Certainly one of the most important factors in living a great life. See, having energy for life starts in your physical body. It's much easier to get your mind right when your body is right. Build a strong body and your mind will follow. You can't soar like an eagle with the mindset of a turkey. If you don't believe you can fly, you will never fly. If you don't believe you are capable of soaring to the top of your own mountain peak in life, you will never try and therefore never succeed. If your mind is full of negativity, you will never see the positive. If your mind is full of limitations, it is closed off to opportunities and possibilities that might be right in front of your face. So in order for you to soar like that eagle, you need to get your blinkers on. You must focus. The eagle can focus and lock in on its prey from miles away. You must focus on your goal and lock it in from wherever you are. Eliminate the idea of defeat. Lock in your goal. Determine what it's going to take to get there and take off. Just go. Go get that goal. Don't stop until you have it in your grasp. Next, you must fill your mind and body with only things that will take you closer to your goals. If you're surrounded by turkeys, it's time to limit that interaction and get around the dream chasers, those that want to soar, those that want to lead, those that are prepared to face the storm and thrive despite the storm. If you have weights tied to your legs, if you have things that are weighing you down in life and preventing you from taking off, it's now time to release those shackles. Set yourself free so you can fly. It might not be easy to get those shackles off. It might be painful. It might leave a scar, but you must do what is best for you. You cannot be in prison for your entire life. You were born to fly, to dominate, to make your own decisions, to walk your own path, to do it on your watch.
You were born to be in control of your life. You were born to dominate. You must follow your own path.
Rock bottom is not the end of the world. It is the foundation that can form the greatest growth of your life. Rock bottom forces you to dig deeper. It forces you to let go of who you wanted to be, so you can work towards someone far greater, the real you, the greatest version of yourself. But you don't have to wait to hit rock bottom. You can decide right now. Where you are right now is your rock bottom. This is the lowest standard because from this moment you commit to grow every single day. It's time to reinvent yourself. It's time to set a new standard for your life. It's time to let go of the old you and work and work and work until the new you shines through. You have more inside. I know you can sense it. You aren't going to get it by wishing. You can't think it into existence. You must work it into existence. Right there. That is where most give up. That is where most make excuses. And where the minority dig deeper and fight for their new self. Who are you? It's time to say I'm back. You can knock me down, but you will never knock me out. It's time to rise into the new you. It's time to start acting like the winner that is inside you. There's a greater you inside you. Let go of the old you. You're done with that version. It's time to step up. Let's go. Yes, it's hard. Life is hard. You're not the only one with challenges. You wouldn't be the first to give up, but I know you're not going to do that. There's a fire in you. There's something deep inside. I know you sense it. You wouldn't be listening to this if you didn't. Find that fire and light this world up with the passion that is inside you. If you're at rock bottom, if you're in a low moment, know it will pass. And know, if you keep going and commit to self-growth, you'll not only get through it, you will be better for it. Repeat after me. Today is my rock bottom. It's the very lowest point of my life because I am committed to grow every day. Not every now and then, every single day. Every single day. Today, I reinvent myself. My standards are greater because my results must be better. I will fight for those I love, not for material reasons, but to set the example, to instill in them a standard of excellence, a standard of greatness, a standard of self-mastery, a standard of self-pride, of integrity. No, I will not stop. This is my life, my destiny, my legacy. I am back. This is the real me. If I'm going to succeed, it's up to me. If I'm going to become the greatest version of me, better than anyone thought I could be, it is up to me. It is up to me.